Does your brake respect the environment? Do you want to reduce operating temperatures, pad wear and maintenance cost while ensuring more constant tensioning? Hi, my name is William from Renova's technical team, and today we're looking at Renova's patented pneumatic multidisc brake, Turborex. The first thing you'll notice is that unlike other traditional brakes, there are two fans on it rather than one fan at the top. By employing forced air cooling, we're able to keep the internal temperature lower and extend the life of the internal components and the brake pads. Our average brake pad life is 5 years. As we look inside, you'll notice that we have a floating multi-disc design that operates in combination with a series of springs. This system allows thermal power and pressure to be distributed on multiple surfaces. Moreover, the reduced disc diameter of 180 mm means 30% less sliding speed of the friction material with the discs. This results in a massive reduction of pad wear and dust emissions, not to mention less harmful pollutants that the operators are exposed to. If we look further into the brake patent design, you'll see this external wear indicator. This allows you to walk right up to the brake and see where the brake pad life is: green, orange or red. No more guesswork, and you'll know exactly when it's time for a pad change. The hub is custom made to fit your shaft. No need for invasive modifications to your mill roll stand. These alignment rods here guide the brake pad plates during brake operation. Furthermore, maintenance can be carried out on the brake when it's still mounted on the roll stand. As if our brake design couldn't get any better, last year we came out with two brand new features. First is the high dissipation self-ventilating disc that further helps keeping the internal temperature lower and make our brake pads last even longer. The second feature is our temperature indicator light. This is connected to an internal thermostat that tracks the internal temperature and signals any fan malfunctioning. The fans themselves are plug and play, making them extremely simple to work on. Another innovative piece of Turborex patent design is our plug-and-play piston system. It features multiple air connections that are completely customizable in their configuration. Depending on your desired web tension, weight and size of rolls, emergency stop times and type of corrugator or sheeter application, we'll work with you to determine the exact torque requirements needed for your installation. Let's take a look at the working principle. As the pistons receive air pressure, they engage and push down on the entire multi-disc system, distributing the force throughout all the brake pads, keeping your maintenance costs low with the low pad wear and boosting your production thanks to less downtime of your plant. In fact, the only scheduled maintenance on the Turborex brake consists of making sure that the pistons stay clean, greased and dust-free every 4 to 8 weeks, and conducting a daily visual inspection to check that your fans are working correctly and that your external wear sensor is okay. The Turborex brake is interchangeable with almost every other brake and roll stand on the market today. With the Turborex brake, you're looking at less production cost, lower maintenance, less spare parts, better web tension control, and consistent performance. If you like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell so you won't miss the next one. And with Renova, you'll never lose control.